Picture this. It's Christmas morning, the tree is lit, wrapping paper is flying, and the gifts aren't just toys. They're next-level tech, gadgets that let kids create, learn, play, and explore in ways that feel futuristic. This year, we've rounded up the 14 best tech and electronics Christmas gifts for kids ages 12 and up, from brand new consoles like the Xbox Handheld and Nintendo Switch 2, to drones, smart speakers, and even coding kits. Stick around because we'll not only count down the best of the best, but we've also got a contest announcement later in the video. Plus, I'll drop a trivia question in just a moment. Answer it in the comments for bragging rights, and as always, every gift we mention is linked in the description, so you can grab it in time for the holidays. Trivia question. Quick trivia. Which year did the very first Nintendo Switch launch worldwide? Was it 2015, 2017, or 2018? Drop your guess below. We'll reveal the answer before the honorable mentions. Number 14. Amazon Echo Studio Smart Speaker. Christmas isn't just about unwrapping. It's about soundtracks, movies, and gaming. The Echo Studio fills a room with premium audio, while Alexa handles reminders, homework help, or even turning on the Christmas tree lights. Pros: 3D audio, smart home control, built for music lovers. Cons: bigger size, works best in households already using Alexa. Imagine holiday karaoke nights powered by Amazon Music, no extra setup needed. Number 13. PVOYG 300 Pro Mini Projector. Tiny but mighty. This portable projector transforms walls into home theaters. Pros: lightweight, budget-friendly, fun for games and movie nights. Cons: works best in darker rooms, not full 4K. Picture the family gathered for Elf projected on the living room wall while sipping hot cocoa. Number 12. Garmin Forerunner 55 Fitness Tracker. Not every gift is about screens. Sometimes it's about movement. Pros: encourages daily activity, heart rate tracking, built-in GPS. Cons: simpler than Apple Watch, less stylish. A perfect first step for teens into the world of fitness tech, especially after those holiday feasts. Number 11. HASAKEE Q9's Mini Drone, a stocking stuffer that takes fun outside. Pros: easy to pilot, kid-safe propellers, live aerial photos. Cons: short flight time, lightweight in windy conditions. Imagine testing it in the snowy backyard on Christmas afternoon, capturing bird's-eye shots of the family snowman. Number 10. Fitbit Ace LTE Smartwatch. Fun meets functional. Pros: tracks activity, connects to friends, stylish for teens. Cons: subscription costs, not as advanced as adult wearables. A great entry-level smartwatch that motivates kids to stay active and connected, without handing them a full phone. Before we unwrap the top 9, let's take a quick pause. If you're enjoying this countdown and you love finding the best tech for kids, families, and gaming, hit that subscribe button right now. Ring the bell so you never miss our holiday uploads. And don't forget, we've got a contest announcement later in the video. The only way to enter? Stick with us through the whole countdown. Let's keep unwrapping. Number 9. Piper Computer Kit. The ultimate hands-on gift. Build a computer, code with Minecraft-inspired missions, and learn the logic of hardware. Pros: combine STEM learning with fun, creative projects. Cons: assembly takes patience, higher price point. This isn't just a gift, it's a spark. For the kid who might be tomorrow's programmer, engineer, or game designer. Number 8. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera. Retro fun meets social sharing. Pros: instant printouts, fun designs, easy to use. Cons: film costs add up, not digital first. Christmas morning snapshots pinned to the fridge by lunchtime. Memories in hand, not just on screens. Number 7. 3 Doodler Start plus 3D printing pen. Creativity in 3D. Pros: safe for kids, versatile, teaches design thinking. Cons: plastic refills needed, small learning curve. Instead of doodling on paper, kids can literally draw a 3D snowflake ornament to hang on the tree. Number 6. SteelSeries Arctis Nova. Wireless gaming headset. Sound is half the game. Pros: surround audio, comfy fit, works across consoles and PC. Cons: premium pricing, bulky for travel. Whether it's Fortnite squads or Christmas break gaming marathons, this headset makes play immersive. Number 5. Apple Pencil Pro. For iPad creators. Pros: advanced stylus features, perfect for drawing and note-taking. Cons: only for iPad users, pricey accessory. Imagine gifting a teen an iPad sketchbook and watching them draw holiday characters that come alive with precision. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10. Big screen, big possibilities. Pros: fantastic display, multitasking power, works for homework and games. Cons: pricey, not iOS ecosystem. From editing TikToks to digital note-taking in class, this tablet flexes as both fun and functional. Number 3. Apple iPhone 16 Pro. The phone kids dream about. Pros: top-tier camera, iOS ecosystem, social media powerhouse. Cons: expensive, requires careful handling. Not just a phone, a creative studio for photography, video, and connection. Number 2. Nintendo Switch 2. The family favorite, upgraded. Pros: bigger 1080p display, new Joy-Con controllers, exciting launch games. Cons: higher price than original, availability may be tight at Christmas. Mario Kart races with the cousins on Christmas afternoon. It doesn't get more classic. Number 1. ROG Xbox Ally Handheld Gaming System. Launching just in time for Christmas 2025, this handheld runs Xbox and PC games. Pros: portable powerhouse, Xbox ecosystem, Game Pass ready. Cons: battery life shorter for heavy games, premium price. Imagine unboxing this Christmas morning. Halo on the couch, Forza in the car, all from one hand. Honorable mention: Oculus Quest 2, MetaQuest VR headset. Virtual reality is no longer the future. It's right here, and it's unbelievably fun for kids 12 and up. The Oculus Quest 2, also called the MetaQuest, gives players an entire world inside the headset. Action games, puzzle adventures, fitness experiences, even social spaces where they can meet friends virtually. The best part? It's wireless, so there's no need for a complicated setup with a PC or console. Parents love it because it mixes fun with real physical activity. VR boxing and dance games get kids moving instead of just sitting with a controller. Pros: huge VR game library, wireless freedom, immersive 360-degree play, promotes physical activity. Cons: needs open play space, battery life is limited to a few hours per charge. Available on Amazon, the Oculus Quest 2 is a surefire gift for older kids who want a new way to play that feels futuristic. Honorable mention: Razer Kishi mobile gaming controller. For kids who love mobile gaming but want a true console feel, the Razer Kishi is a brilliant pick. It clips directly onto a smartphone, transforming it into a handheld gaming system. Paired with cloud gaming services or mobile titles, it provides precise thumbsticks, responsive buttons, and zero-lag gameplay. This is especially great for older kids who stream Xbox Game Pass or play competitive mobile games like Fortnite, Roblox, or Genshin Impact. Unlike Bluetooth controllers, the Razer Kishi connects directly to the phone's charging port for instant input with no delay. Pros: portable, console-style controls, works with most popular phones, excellent for cloud gaming. Cons: phone compatibility varies, drains battery during longer sessions. Found on Amazon, the Razer Kishi makes mobile gaming feel next level, giving kids 12 and up an edge whether they're gaming at home or on the go. Trivia answer. Earlier, we asked when the very first Nintendo Switch launched. The answer is 2017. If you guessed that, you're officially a retro Nintendo fan. Before we wrap this list, here's that contest I teased. We're giving our community something special this holiday season. The only way to enter? Be subscribed, stay engaged, and watch our next uploads closely. I can't reveal what the prize is, but trust me, it's worth it. Details are coming soon. So there you have it, 14 of the best tech Christmas gifts for kids and teens in 2025. From the powerhouse ROG Xbox Ally to creative tools like the 3 Doodler and Piper kit, these gifts aren't just fun. They're investments in play, learning, and imagination. Which one would you want under the tree this year? Drop your pick in the comments. I'll be hanging out there to chat with you. And remember, subscribe, like, share, and check the description for links to every product we mentioned today. Want more ideas? Check out our other holiday guides, from smart home gadgets to family-friendly gaming gear. Links are waiting for you right here. Until next time, this is Tony's Top Tech, wishing you a merry tech-filled Christmas and holiday season. Hit the follow button and check out Tony's Top Tech on other platforms. For more tech review, see you in the next one.